Hello, and welcome to March, Women's Month, when we are meditating on a quote by Audre Lorde. I am not free while any woman is unfree, even when her shackles are very different from my own. If you'll remember, we canceled our Vision Thematic Café in January, but we didn't want you to miss the opportunity to create a thematic board. So we are doubling back to recapture that workshop for you. We hope you are looking forward to intention and planning to a creative vibe. We are making vision boards. However, we're using a much different formula than we have here years before. The making of these vision boards will include a preliminary writing discussion exercise at the cafe and three elements that I'd like you to consider including in your board: a theme song for your upcoming year, a word for the year, and a color. Of course, they are only suggestions, as a board is personal and an inspirational piece. In consideration for this project, I have made a few boards. One is on display below. It is not a 2025 board per se, but it is vision oriented. Sound like fun? Then join us on Monday, March 24th at 6 p.m. EST for our Creative Vision Thematic Cafe 2025. We'd love to see you. As creatives in this year, we have to keep exercising our voices, our creativity, and that's what our cafe is about. We don't want that creative light voice to ever go out. So in tribute, here again is a poem for you. It was written in Mega Sue's workshop at our November Cafe. I call it This Voice, after Sonia Sanchez, This Is Not a Small Voice. It doesn't have to be huge. Sometimes in the morning it whisper tear cries, prayers of gratitude, murmurs slight intention of being, wrestles inadequacy, but still goes in a slow, sultry manner, because you can never define a tone if you don't construct it. But it can be loud, be a bullhorn. I tell it, tell me who I am, Mary dressed in feathers. I spread my wings fully, the wind roars, and in the sun going down it will lilt, in humor swing into the sounds of a not so heavy joke, a sigh, a sway. About this voice, I will tell them I am. So please join us March 24th at 6 p.m. EST as we recapture our Creative Vision Thematic Cafe 2025. And don't forget to bring your materials and your favorite cafe beverage, because we're the cafe around the corner getting to know you better. And of course, I'm your host for the cafe, Jacquees, saying until next time, goodbye and take care.